Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and I'm here today to introduce our craft for this week. This week, the theme of our craft and the theme of our week is called I'm Special, meaning you are special. Every single last one of you, special, special, special. And so this week, when you come to pick up your craft, you're going to get a flip-flop. Oh yeah. And you just punch out this hole right here. Oh, I'm going to save that for something later. And then what you do is in this hole, you put your picture. Put it on the back, and then turn it over into your picture. You get a sheet of letters, and you get some stars, and some dots, and you get to decorate your flip-flop. You just punch these out, and they stick, and you can put them anywhere you want on your flip-flop. And you even get some flowers to put on your flip-flop if you like flowers. So you make yourself a special flip-flop and make sure that you get your picture of yourself in the middle, and you can hang that up at home somewhere or put it on the fridge or just love it on a table. Now, you're also going to get this sheet, and it says I am. And it says I am, I am by, and that's where you put your name. And then you can put in anything you want here. I say, I dream, I hear, and then make yourself a poster. It says all about me. And they're wanting to let you use your creative skills, and you can write some facts about yourself and who's your hero and your favorite things like your favorite animal and book. And you just have fun with this and color it. Now, if you want to, you can post this on our site so we can see this and see what you're doing. Now, we still miss you, but keep coming, and you can pick these up at curbside, or you can come in the library now to pick these up. So I hope I see you here, and keep taking good care of yourself and your family, and we'll see you someday soon. Bye, guys.